I have problem 7, which states, let C be the circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 5. Let D be the circle centered at 1 square root 35 with radius 2. Find the radius of the small circle that contains both C and D. So I drew my diagram here, and this is circle C with a radius of 5 centered at 0, 0. And then this is D with a radius of 2 and then 1 square root 35. And then we're trying to find this purple circle that will go around both of them but have the smallest radius. So I cut out a triangle here, and you can see that is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we know this is 5 because of the radius, and then we can cut that in half and then square root it because of the properties of the 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then so we know that this point here is going to be negative 2.5 comma negative 2.5 square root 3. They're negative because you're going to the left and down. And then to find this point up here, you're gonna do about the same thing. You cut out a triangle through here, and then it's again 30, 60, 90, so the radius is 2, divided by 2, and then square root 3. And then instead of being able to just put the points in, we're actually gonna take what the left and, or the x and y are, and then we're gonna add them. So that first original x is 1, and then we got 1 right here, so we're going to add them together. And then the original y is square root 35, and then we're going to add the square root 3 to it. And then we can't really simplify that without a calculator, so we're just going to leave it as is. And what we're trying to find is a line that'll go through these points to find the diameter of a circle, which will lead to the radius. So then with these points, we are going to add them together, but since the ones are negative, we're just going to subtract them, which will give us this, and then we're going to simplify, and that will be your answer.